Dido playtime.
In the heart of a lush jungle, there lived a young lion named Leo. He was brave and curious, but there was one problem. Leo had lost his roar. Leo tried and tried to roar, but all that came out was a tiny squeak. He felt sad and wondered if he would ever find his mighty roar. One day, Leo met a wise old owl. The owl told him, "Your roar will come when you grow up. Be patient and keep believing in yourself." Leo decided to practice every day. He roared at the trees, the river, and even the sky. Though his roar was still small, he kept trying. One day, Leo saw a small monkey in trouble. Without thinking, he let out a loud growl to scare away a snake. It was the loudest sound he had ever made. To his surprise, the growl was strong and powerful. Leo realized that in helping his friend, he had found his roar. It had been inside him all along, waiting for the right moment. From that day on, Leo roared with pride. He knew that growing up meant facing challenges and believing in himself. Leo the lion had found his roar. The jungle animals gathered to celebrate Leo's new roar. They cheered for their brave friend who had learned the true meaning of courage.
Thanks for watching. If you want, click like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Dido playtime.